You wish you knew this before you start your animation in Clo3D. I didn't know till now. And I'm gonna share with you, if you are a fan of digital fashion and Clo3D, you're gonna come with me in this experience. The nice thing about Clo3D is that there are so many hidden features you really wanted to know, but it takes some time and experience to go and reach that. So let's start with this. For the first thing, I open up my project in Clo3D. I already made this garment, and if you're interested to know how, this is the right in the right corner below. Please check it out. And I put my avatar in this pose. Now I want to select my avatar and delete my avatar. Now let's go to the file and export it as an OBJ. Bear in mind that you want to make a folder and put them in the folder so you won't misunderstood. Let's start with the OBJ number 1. And we're gonna go fake and with the unified UV coordinates. And the scale, it's very important what scale you choose, because this is the one scale you keep sticking to it and you cannot change it in any cases. So I select meters and hit OK. Now Ctrl Z on your keyboard to bring back the avatar. Now let's jump into the library and change the pose of the avatar in the A pose. Select the zipper and unfasten the zipper by finding it on the property editor. Let's hit simulation, but as soon as I hit it, I want to stop it because I don't want it to be open too much. Okay, I wanna again select my avatar, delete the avatar, and file, export as an OBJ number 2 and save. Fake and scale is the same as meters, and that's it. Okay. And for the first import, I'm going with the first OBJ, and that's it. The avatar, the unit, the scale should be meter, don't forget that. It's okay. Let's import the second one and see if that was the case. Add as and move target, the same, and hit OK. Yes. And now you should see that second OBJ. If you go to the animation, you can see this is your animation that you already made. So that was it, and you can render this in Clo or take it to Blender. And if you are really interested to see how I take this to Blender and give it a motion, you want to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in the next one.